This video is intended for individuals who have the responsibility of managing a mail list using Mailman. To create a new mail list, please watch this video. Mailman makes it possible for list administrators to effectively use the features of Mailman to become self-sufficient in maintaining your list. After logging into your Mailman account, let's begin by creating a new mail list. As an owner of the list, you have the ability to add or remove members and non-members from the list. We're going to add a member by selecting the membership management link, then select single or mass subscription. Begin by setting the options. For instance, select yes or no for the send welcome messages to the new subscribees. In this video, the no will be selected. However, as an owner, if you decide to select yes, this default welcome message will be sent. Following the questions, in the text box below, to subscribe a user, type in the user's email address into the text entry box. Then select Submit Your Changes button. You have the option of uploading a text file email address simply by selecting the Choose File button. Search for the file and select Open, or select Cancel if you want to cancel this process. This works for both mass subscription and mass removal. In the case if a member wants or needs to be removed, select Membership Management and then select Mass Removal. To remove a member, simply type in the user's email address that you want to remove. Then select Submit Your Changes. Select the membership list to see the members that are either added or no longer existing. Now I'd like to cover a couple of the sections of the table. Select the link. Click here to include the legend for this table. A list will display, and to briefly cover a couple, unsub is used when unsubscribing the member from a list. Mod uses personal moderation. If this is set, postings from them will be moderated, otherwise they will be approved. And lastly, no mail displays abbreviations that are given describing the reasons for a disabled mail list. V, disabled by a user via personal options. A, disabled by administrators, and B, disabled due to excessive bouncing from a member's email address. You'll see the members that you have, and you are able to select the options recently covered. As an owner, I'm going to select No Mail for the user, then select Submit Your Changes. Another piece of information I would like to show you is message moderation. If mod is checked for a user, that user's post will be moderated, and the list owners and moderators will be notified to either approve or deny the request to post a message. As a result of submitting your changes, an email will be sent to you to notify you at your convenience to visit the link to approve or deny the request. An alternative to view pending requests is selecting Tend to Pending Moderator Request link in the top right corner. After being navigated to held messages, you will have options to defer, accept, reject, or discard. Now you might ask, what's the difference between reject and discard? So let me elaborate. Reject will send a rejection message, and discard will just delete the message. After viewing the options, we can navigate back to EA Support Administrative Interface by selecting the link at the bottom of the page. Under Privacy Options, select Sender Filters. As an owner, you are able to allow or deny mail from non-subscribers or non-members and see messages being held from members and non-members. If you would like to add a user that is a non-member, you can add them here by simply adding their email address. And lastly, I would like to cover some of the general options. To add an additional owner to the mail list with equal access as the original owner, you would add the individual's email address here, then select Submit Your Changes. To create a welcome message, type the welcome message content into the list-specific text appended to new subscriber welcome message box. You may edit it as needed. A welcome message example is displayed. Another possible option is setting the message size. Also, for a description for a list, you're able to type a phrase that is a shortened version of the description. After any alterations, please make sure to submit your changes. This presentation has ended. If you need additional support, please contact CSUSB Technical Support Center at 909-537-7677 or email at support@csusb.edu.